Let me try to adjust the camera. Alright, so today we came to the National Forest, I think. Look at that. Look at the view. I got my mask, but there's like no one around right now, so it's okay. I don't have to wear it. But look at that. Look at my view. It's called LA National Forest. Let me see. But we'll see. There's supposed to be a waterfall over here. I'm just gonna keep walking. Maybe I can find it. But this is a nice view, by the way. Yeah. You can't hear nothing but nature, which is awesome. Alright, video update. So it turns out there was a waterfall, and I thought, well, it's a small waterfall. Watch. Yeah, but then it goes down. I can't go down, like if you can see. It'll be like hard to go down. I'll probably eat shit before I get there. But it's a nice spot that you come and just like come here and relax, you know, just chill for a little bit, meditate, for sure meditate. It's getting cold. I'll probably get going to the park and go home. It wasn't a workout. It was more like a walk. I don't want to say hiking because it wasn't that hard, so it was just walking. But it was more like, I think it was like a mile. I'm recording my watch, my Apple Watch, and I'll see at the end when I get to the car how much I walked. So I'll see you guys when I get to the parking lot. It is a nice view, by the way. So someone told me there was like a couple down there, but I don't know how they get there. So I'm trying to find out. It's too late and too cold to try to find out how they get there. But yeah, it's a nice view. So yeah. Well, I'll probably take a picture like that. I'll take a picture. Bye guys, bye. Alright, a little update. I'm already going back to the parking lot so I can go home because it's like 45 minutes driving. Plus there's traffic, so it'll be like an hour to get home. And I'm getting hungry. But it was a good place to visit. I'm definitely gonna be back un poco más temprano. I'm not gonna be late, you know? So I could walk a little more, you know? Try to find the end of the little waterfall creek we found. But it was a good day. Video update. I'm already at the picnic area. So it was almost a mile and a half to the waterfall. I'll call that hiking now. But it was good. Alright. Oh shit, stupid. Okay. Alright. See you guys when I get to a parking lot, which is pretty close now. Alright. Look at that. Picnic area.